In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Woocommerce core templates. If you run an online store, keeping your Woocommerce templates up to date helps maintain compatibility, prevents layout issues, and ensures new features and fixes work as intended. Start by opening your WordPress website and heading into your dashboard. This is your control center for everything on your site. Before you do anything else, make a full backup. This is essential. Updates can overwrite customizations or expose conflicts you didn't know you had, and a backup lets you roll back instantly if something doesn't look right. Make sure the backup covers both your site files and your database so you can restore your store exactly as it was. Once you're safely backed up, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Templates. This is the area where your site collects and organizes the templates that power your store's pages and components. Think of it as the blueprint shelf for your product pages, cart, checkout, emails, and more. Inside the Templates section, you'll see a list of the templates currently in use. Woocommerce may flag some as outdated when a newer version is available. That typically happens after a plugin update introduces changes to how a certain page should be structured. When you see an indicator that a template needs attention, open it from this screen to review the details. You'll usually find information about which version your site has and which version Woocommerce expects. From here, follow the prompts provided in the Templates area to update. Use the on-screen guidance to bring the template in line with the current version. If you've customized any templates in your theme, pay close attention during this step because updates can overwrite changes. When in doubt, make a quick copy of any customized file before proceeding so you have a personal fallback. After applying the update, save your changes to make them active. That's the core process. You opened your WordPress site, created a backup to safeguard your work, clicked Templates on the left, and used that screen to review and update your Woocommerce core templates. To finish, it's a smart habit to spot check your storefront. Visit a product page, the cart, and checkout to confirm everything looks and behaves as expected. If something seems off, you can revert using your backup, then revisit the templates screen and update more carefully or adjust your customizations. With this simple workflow, your Woocommerce templates stay current, stable, and ready for your customers.